There is 250 kilometers road network here. It will cover the all heavy commercial and residential traffic here. By the MX Road software, we have designed the precise horizontal and vertical alignment of road, junction rotary designing, estimating the quantity of road work and the earth work, which is the major point is that, which we calculate the cost of the project by this thing, and then after the good for construction drawing. Here is some images of 3D images by the MX Road software, then we can easily recognize. And the main thing is of this software is that we just put our model into the Google Maps. If we want to submit something to our client and in someone, those who don't have any software, they can see the whole thing by just clicking on Google Earth and see the whole infrastructure. Our main thing is that BIM formulation. All the things depending on this thing. By Open Road 3D technology, we have coordinating all the utilities on a single platform. Resulting that what we did in it, we import the I models from different software from Sewer Gems, Water Gems, MX Road and all. To 3D visualization of all the utilities, because now the client is demanding for the 3D visualization. No one is stick on 2D designing. Everyone is demanding for the 3D. So what uniqueness we did? We did with the 3D visualization, where the client is demanding for us, we'll show them this is your 3D. This will look like, original. And the last one is the clash detection. We will discuss about after that. Here is some images of combined utilities, 3D visualization here. Here we see the network of water, sewer, even we can see the vehicle movement, footpath, and the road pavement. That's why we are doing roads here. Second one is we can see our utility below the road junction. We can recognize easily that yes, there is our water line, yes, there is our sewer line, yes, there is our drainage line. We can recognize very easily here. And this is another snapshot of water network, sewer network, drainage network, and the recycled water. Now, the main thing we switch on to the clash detection. This is very mandatory country like India and all the places. There are so many projects will suffer delay just because of there any problem in their clashes. The clashes in utility. If some project is going on like execution and there is any problem of clashes, so it's very hard to rectify that thing. By using this software and by using BIM modeling, we have got the clash detection here, and in the clash detection, we have find out these 1700 clashes in our site. If that 1700 clashes will go onto the site, I don't know the project will run or not. There are so many projects who's suffering with this kind of problem by the clashes. So here is some designing step. First, we assign the models, selected the models. There are two types of models here. One is the gravitational force and one the pressure line. Pressure line we can up and down, there is no problem. Just we made or just we increases the height. But the gravitational line, it is reflect if we any invert level up and down, the whole our network will affected on it. So first we selected the drainage and the sewerage, most dangerous network here. So many classes comes in this point. We can play with the water also, but water is the pressurized line. So there is no much classes between the water line, but yes, there are major classes between the drainage and sewerage. Then we analyze the clash like this, the sewer line and the drainage line, the manhole and the pipe here. If this faulty design or is this kind of thing, nominal happen this kind of things. You cannot stop this thing while designing of this thing. Because you have different platform of both the software, water gems and sewer gems, we can't work on a single platform here. So we have rectified this 1700 classes before going on the site. And this is the final one, outputs from the software where there is no clash. When we submitted this to the client, and client was very happy after constructing 2,000-acre development, because there is no major hurdle or client and the contractor, finished their work before the time. Because of that, they had taken the 10 or 15% contingencies time in it, but there is no requirement of contingencies times. Because of that, we remove all the clashes. So there is no possibilities of any conflict and delays of project. So next, the outcome from BIM for water. First, the increased project collaboration. Bentley software provide the interface platform where we integrated so many softwares just like ArcGIS, AutoCAD, and the MX Excel. Second one is the reduced time of project delivery. Yes, of course, by the using of Bentley softwares, it reduced the time of design and optimization. And the third one is the reduced cost of project delivery. Why this is most important thing is that after doing the clash detection thing, when we submit it to the client and the tender stage are there and contractor on board and contractor doing their work, they submitted, as I told you earlier, the work. So it saves so much cost of the project. This is the practical thing what we are saying about that. Then the increased return of investment. Return of investment comes from the assess management skills. My project manager will elaborate this thing more. And the reduces risk. Yes, by the help of Bentley software, we can see our future, a future hurdle by this software, just like any congestion between the utility, behavior of utility, all water utility, drainage, and sewer utility before the execution. Then the conclusion. In the last conclusion, while using the Bentley software, we reduce our time, money, risks, and all the things here. And we have given the name here, optioneering. Optioneering, we develop a word here by using the software to create multiple engineering options to improve asset performance. This is the glimpse of what I explained to you in my presentation. And in the last, this comes from the AECOM to Bentley. Bentley connecting advanced and precise technology with AECOM's intellectual legacy and expertise to develop a smart city using BIM for water. Thank you very much for this thing. And in the last, I would like to add something to you because it's very good for us. Our client is very happy with our work, what we did for the 2,000 acre. Now we are doing our work for the 8,000 acre, and he assigned a new project to us. He is very happy with the Bentley software outputs, and all the things, sir. Thank you very much for listening me. I'm ready for the questions, sir. And answer.